First of all, I'd like to thank Rahul personally for being associated, supporting, and I would like to say being a role model for budding sportsmen and sportsmen around the world. One of my favoriteest people in the world for his grace, for his resilience, for his dedication, for his hard work, and just being so quiet through all of this. So, my hero. So thank you very much for being on the same dais. I thank the BCCI, of course, and I thank the Association of Indian Universities. I thank the HRD Ministry, of course, and everyone who's associated with this. And here's wishing all the 8 teams. Here's wishing all the 128 players. Here's wishing all the lakhs and lakhs of budding sportsmen around the country that participate. Some of them on the field, some off it. Some of them hoping to become a sportsman like the great Wall here. And we wish them all the best and hope this goes on forward not only by our association, by associations other than us who take other sports also to this level.
Well, I think firstly it's really nice to be here. It's lovely to be here and to be associated in this particular event. It's also nice to have someone like Shah Rukh here, and like to thank him for the kind words, but also to recognize, I think, his support for sport in this country, not only at the elite level, but also at a grassroots and university level. And I think these things make a huge difference.
I think कोई भी initiative जो sports के लिए लिया जाए, कोई भी sports के लिए, और किसी भी तरह से राहुल जैसे sports person हैं या मेरे जैसे जो entertainment industry में हैं, अगर हमारे उससे जुड़ने से इस चीज़ का और प्रचार हो सके, बढ़ सके, पॉपुलर हो सके, तो आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. बिकॉज कोई भी जो यंगस्टर्स के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट किया जाएगा आज की दुनिया में, उसके अंदर हमें किसी तरीके से स्पॉन्सर्स की ज़रूरत होगी, जगहों की ज़रूरत होगी, मीडिया की ज़रूरत होगी. तो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट वी क्रिएट एन ऑल्टरनेट प्रोफेशन for youngsters in this country, and I think sports is perhaps the greatest profession that is wanting in our country. Hopefully ये खुद जो है नीरज और NDTV और जितनी भी सारी टीम है इनकी उसकी वजह से बढ़ेगा और youngsters तक पहुँचेगा. They will feel, I think, just as a small example, I think it's extremely thrilling. When I was in college, I came third in a 2-mile run in National Stadium in Delhi. एक छोटा सा snippet है कि मैं third आया था, तो उस snippet आज तक मैंने बचा कर रखा हुआ है. So I think for these youngsters to watch themselves on television in high speed in front of not only an audience but their parents will convince the parents to allow their children to play sports more, and I think it will just make the excitement factor and wanting factor of being a sports person more in this country.
It's nice to know that Shah Rukh ran 2 miles when he was in school. I never ran 2 miles. I could have finished 2 miles, so that's
पता नहीं मेरे हर पिक्चर में क्या नाम होता है, राहुल नाम तो सुना हो. मैं ठीक ठाक गली क्रिकेट खेल लेता हूँ. You know what, I'll be really honest. I am someone who really believes professionalizing sports in this country is perhaps the most important aspect, if I can in any which way be attached to it. Apart from professionalizing sports, I think it's very important that we look at grassroots levels and create sports people in our country, men and women. And if my association in any terms, whether it's an IPL, like Rahul says, yeah, that was very elite, it's a business proposition. Apart from that, when it began, as Neeraj will tell you, it was something that people didn't believe will take off. But it's an exciting format. I'm happy that I'm associated with it. I'm happy I'm associated with this. I don't know, I personally won't get time to play cricket. I don't. And so I don't think I'll be attached to anything else. But any other sport, yeah. But if it requires me, I think they have so many stars already in CCL, they won't need a smaller star like me anymore. Yeah, I think सिर्फ क्रिकेट का ही नहीं, हॉकी का भी होना चाहिए, फुटबॉल का होना चाहिए, एथलेटिक्स का होना चाहिए. एंड हमको जब शुरुआत करनी पड़ती है तो किसी तरह से शुरुआत करनी पड़ती है. तो ये शुरुआत है जो अभी लड़कों की यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट से शुरू हुई है. लेकिन यू हैव टू बिगिन समवेयर. आई थिंक इट्स अ बिगिनिंग and slowly I think it will spread to more places with more people backing it. And specifically, if you ask me, there is nothing better a combination than sports and women. You know, so I would really love it if it went across and women participated in it. और ज़रूर होगा ऐसा. अभी शुरुआत है और हमारे यहाँ पे भी 1-2 साल हो जाएं इसको. Once they set it up, things become smooth, आराम से रवा हो जाए, तो उसके बाद I'm sure लड़कियों के लिए भी ऐसा होना चाहिए. बहुत ज़रूरी है, पहले उनके लिए होना चाहिए. So I think if it requires people like from the film industry, like me to come down and be a brand ambassador, obviously the sports people from related sports is very important. Rahul is here. We do it so that a lot of people watch it. We want to popularize it. There is no other personal agenda for this. And I think we should look at it that way. This is one format. Yes, there's one day, and Test cricket is, absolutely fantastic. And I think all forms of cricket will become better, or all forms of sports, if you have an audience for it.